All right, y'all, we are now going to be checking out the M Resort, which is about as generic as a sign as you can get. There is a gigantic M on the side of the hotel, but from this entrance, pretty nondescript. This is a casino worth checking out, y'all, because it is a local casino. And unlike a lot of local casinos here, this one's worthy of being on the strip, honestly. It's really, really nice.
It smells probably good.
In fact, I would say this is probably one of the top 3 nicest casinos that is off the strip that is designed for the locals. Now, this hotel has a pretty infamous history because it was built during the Great Recession. And unfortunately, because of that, lots and lots of problems. And then trying to, finish it when, the economy was basically collapsed. Really bad situation. And ultimately, the Marnell family, which is the ones that had built this place, had to kind of sell it off, so they don't own it anymore. But as you can see, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous casino. I mean, look at their betting hall here. It's just beautifully adorned. I've always loved the decoration here. Now, this is the first week that Vegas in general has opened up to, I think, almost like 100% capacity now. I would say the foot traffic in here is it's kind of mild. It's a weekend, Saturday night, so I would actually expect it to be a little bit more busy, but it's picking up though. I'm liking that. Vegas is picking up. Oh, this guy's a winner. He is a winner. I'm just looking around here. I'm not really sure if I noticed anything that they've done differently to make it more pandemic safe. Maybe the spacing of the machines are a little further out, so they took out some of them. Yeah, it's very pretty, huh? I've always loved the decorations here. Yeah, because it looks brand new. I love it. It looks like it's just built.
I don't think so, but...
I feel like it's at least been 10 years, so...
Yeah, a little bit.
So yeah, I think this place has been around for at least 10 years or so. Now the thing is that when they built this place, they were actually planning to build a whole mall, movie theater. There was like going to like a gigantic community around this place. It never happened. It never happened because of that Great Recession. So in many ways, this is going to be like a crown jewel of Southern Las Vegas. Yeah, what can you say? That Great Recession really killed the Vegas market. I mean, I would say that recession probably knocked off about 60 to 80% of the market value of homes down around here in Las Vegas. It was that bad. So yeah, this place has been through a lot, so it's great to see it survive. And now that Vegas is going through kind of like another downturn because of the pandemic, and now it's coming out of it, one of the things that has been a saving grace for this hotel is the Raiders. So the Raiders Stadium is nearby, so they still have face covering. I thought like this was the first week that you don't have to. Hi there. Is face covering still required this week?
If you're vaccinated, you don't have to wear it.
Oh, okay. How would you know if you're vaccinated then?
That's a good question. Honor system.
I guess that still is a big issue. Okay. There is, I think by this week, you don't have to wear a mask anymore. So there are some people there's some people aren't. Casinos aren't asking anymore. It's going to be really difficult to check anyways. So that's the way it is right now. But I would say most part, people are pretty far apart. It's it's not like anyone's sort of abusing any sort of situation that's going to make you uncomfortable. So no need for any Karens to get out of hand here and go a little crazy, y'all. Yeah, I think we're lost. Not really sure which way to go. Wow, that's beautiful.
That's cool.
Yeah, look at that. The way the line shines up on that. I just love the decoration of this place. It's top of the line. Ah, live bands are back again.
I missed that.
It looks like no one's here right now, but you know, the instruments are out, so I think, oh, there you go, yeah.
There you go.
All right, hey, live bands are coming back, y'all. We love entertainment out here, and the fact that, you know, in the last year, all that was cut, it hurt, it hurt.
Oh, let's go over here.
A bar kind of place, showcasing all the different footballs.
Raiders.
I haven't seen this before, so the Raiders is a brand new thing here. People are loving it. I mean, look at the Raiders stuff that's all over this place here, which is awesome. I cannot wait to go to a Raiders game. So this is not open just yet.
Oh wow, we're now in the hotel part of the resort.
Wow.
Let's go. I parked my car inside, I'm sorry.
Wow. I would love to work here every day. Nothing says you're rich like having a waterfall in the middle of a desert. So FYI, their buffet right now is closed, which is too bad because honestly, this is probably one of the buffets I think in Las Vegas. It's really beautiful. They have this central area that is designed. It's just stunning and really good food.